This is a 300 square meter 5-bedroom maisonette in Nairobi County. So as you can see, this is our front entrance. We had promised you earlier we are going to be doing a pergola, and that is why we have this steelwork. This is a framework for our pergola. We are going to be doing our covering on our client's choice. So this is our entrance, and we have this beautiful steel door which is not complete. They are underway. The glasses are still not installed. There are some which got damaged when doing the locks. So that is our entrance door, very big. This is just the openable part, and all this is well done with the Nasiji glass type. This is a privacy type of glass. So here is where we have our living room. You can see we are doing our electrical fitting. That is why we have this laser right here to give us the lines, the straight lines, the positioning of our light. So here we have our TV wall. Don't mind the place. We are doing our cabinetry. So we have our TV wall, and on our TV wall we have the 2 wall mounts. Our TV will be at the center. So here is our living room with all these windows. From our living room, we have our dining area. So here is our dining area. We'll have our dining table right here, and we have a breakfast bar also right here. That is why we have this. We're going to be doing a track light right there with 4 track lights, which will give it a very good look. So this is also another door similar to our front door. This leads to the back side of the house. That is why you cannot see any door at the kitchen. So this is the door to the backyard. It opens up to the back of the home. This is a very spacious house. We go to our kitchen. So here we have a beautiful kitchen. The cabinetry is ongoing. We have our island here. Here is where we'll be having our waste, and also our water connection will be right here. These are our worktops. We have used the granite, the white Galaxy granite, very well done. And we are doing our drawers. You see how well they are sliding. So we are using this light gray particle board, and we have the skirting for the granite right there. We'll be doing our sink at the center to complement this room. So you can see the cabinets are very unique. We have the sideways, a side opening. We'll be doing the push to open handles. Then we have this that opens up at the top, upwards and downwards. And at our corners, we have no wasted space. Sorry, we have no wasted space. What is at the corner, we have done a very good cabinet so that we don't waste a lot of space at the corner. It's still usable space. So here is where we have our island. It's almost complete. We have not yet settled it and positioned it very well. But once we have done our SPC flooring, we will do it. That is why you see the floor is not complete, and we have already done the tiling. So we are going to be doing SPCs on these floors. So you can see the type of tile that the client chose. This is a Surge ceramic tile, very well done and very unique, not very common to many homes. Then here we go to a private section. Here we have our pantry on this side. So here it's a bit dark, so you will not see me. It's very spacious, and we have done the tiling for where we'll be doing our wardrobes. So here we go to our laundry space. All this, you can imagine all this as a laundry space. We have this cabinetry where you put your ironing, your passy, your ironing, how is it called? Tell me how it's called. Then you have all these cabinets. And this is a place where you can use for a lot of things, so you can use for folding, and it has those big drawers. Then we come to the DSQ. So this is the DSQ where the help will be staying. It is very spacious with this cabinetry for storage, and it has a hanging area and a foldable areas with the drawers. And it is Ensuite. It has its own washroom right there. So as you can see, we have very unique tile. This is a Surge ceramic tile. It is very big. The tile runs from here all the way almost to the end right here. So from this you can tell this is not a standard home, this is a high-end home. Very well done and well finished. You can see the paint. The client had a different taste, so most of the rooms have different tastes from all the others. That is what we have for this space. So we go to the common areas. Being in the ground floor, we have our cloakroom where if you're relaxing here, you can come ease yourself right here. Very private and separate from everyone. We have our powder room here. This is where we'll be having our vanity right there, and we have our bathroom, our cloakroom, sorry. Our cloakroom, we have the toilet right there, and you have all this space to move around. And you can see the tile, very unique. It's a carpet-like tile from Sage ceramic. So here we have the staircase. Well, this is where you can do shoe racks, you can do maybe some storage, whatever you want to do with that place. So we come to our first bedroom at the ground floor. So this is our master bedroom. So we have 2 bedrooms in this home. This is our 2 master bedrooms in this home. You can see the different color choice. So this is the client's choice of color and also choice of board. So we have our cabinet. We'll be doing the push to open. That is why you cannot see the handles. And this bedroom is also Ensuite. It has the unique, beautiful tile with the deco right here. The deco is what changes, where it gives its uniqueness of being the master bathroom. So basically, that is our ground floor. And you can see something very unique. We have done the clear window for maximum lighting. So our rooms are very, very clear, are very, very bright with the amount of light that comes in. So here we have our rail. These are steel rail. You can see it's very well done, and it runs all the way to the first floor. So we are going up. We have this feature window right here, also with the clear glass. So we are almost done with our ceiling. We have our tanks right here. This is an estate where they don't allow the steel water towers. So we had to do our tank somewhere safe, like this staircase. Well, in case of anything, it's easy. There is less damage for this home in case of any leakages. But we are going to use the best of the best float valves so that the water cannot spill. So here we go to our bedrooms. We have 2 bedrooms here, a master and a family room. So we're going to our first bedroom, which is Ensuite. All the rooms of this home are Ensuite. So this is the first one. This is the first washroom. You can see how big it is. We have our shower area right here. The tile is the same, but what I told you, the decor is different. So we have this decor just next to our shower right there. And we have our sink, which will come right here. It will be exactly here. So this is very spacious. You can see the room is good, and we have our toilet there. So the shower area is very, very big. So this is our bedroom. All our bedrooms have balconies. So this is a balcony to our bedroom, and you can see the beautiful tile. It opens up, and we have done a very big grill, a very long grill. This is very secure. Some people might have a different opinion, but for this client, she wanted it like this, so that the children, when they're visiting, they don't topple over. So this is our huge bedroom. You can see we are doing our electrical fittings. We have our center light, we have our downlighters, and we have our wall mounts. The bed will come at the center, so we have our wall mounts on the side and our bedside switches. So you can see the cabinet. Before I forget, you can see how beautiful it is. This is a moonlight board. You can see it's very beautiful, and it marries well with the colors on the wall. So we go to our second bedroom, which is next to the other one. It's very big. It has a very big corridor, and it is also Ensuite. And you can see the bathrooms, how big they are. We have our sink right there, our toilet, and all this is where we have our shower area. very spacious, and the color is similar. So these two rooms are twin rooms because whatever is in that room is also in this room. So the cabinetry is very big. It's bigger than the others. You can see it's it's almost a 10-door cabinet, and we have this open shelf. So we have an open and a closed cabinet, very well executed. And as I had said earlier, we have balconies to all the rooms, and this grill for security, and also to help the children for safety and security. Whenever everybody is visiting, nothing can topple over, especially the kids. So here we have our family room. So here is where we have people relaxing. If you don't want to stay in the living room down there, you feel like relaxing, you just come up here with the view, all this with this big window. You can set up very nice chairs there with your TV mounted here. That is why we have a different color. So this color is what goes on our ceiling. This is not the normal the normal white ceiling. We decided to do blue on it. That is why it looks very nice. You can see the color change. They are both blue but different shades of blue, and that makes our living room. So we go into our final room, which is the master. You can see it's all pink, so it can tell you this is a ladies' room. Very nice, very big and spacious. So whatever we do here, whatever we have here is just the bed. No cabinet. The cabinet, we have a walk-in closet next to it. So here we have our bed, and we have our TV wall here. That is why you can see it has a different color for the wall. It is very nice. There are different shades of pink, and it comes out very well. So this is our walk-in closet. So you see it's a different kind of board. It's similar to our master cabinet on the ground. So here it is. You see it's very well done. This is the client's choice. She decided to do this, and it is almost done. We go to our master bathroom. This is bigger than all bathrooms. It's like a room on its own. So we have our shower area here, and something unique about it, this decor is the same as our bathroom right down there, our other master. So we have our shower area here, we have our sink here, and the toilet is the first thing you come into when you're coming to the door. So you use the toilet, the sink, and you have the shower right there. Quite enough for everything that you want to do. So as I had said earlier, all the rooms are and have a balcony, and they are ensuite. This is the balcony of the master. Very big. You can see it's very nice, and the grilling is similar, and it is very high enough. Here you can relax, you can have a good time. So this is a 300 square meter maisonette in Nairobi County. It is possible to do a maisonette using precast, and this is one of them. We are around 85% done. What is remaining is just installing the SPC, doing our plumbing fittings, and completing our cabinets, and also the final coat of our paint, and also doing the pergola covering. So we are basically 80% done, and this has been a journey. Most of you followed from the beginning up to here, and we thank God for giving us such a beautiful opportunity and a beautiful experience. Thank you so much. Continue following for this and many more.